Hi everyone, my name is Silvia Joana Vergara Padilla. Today I'm going to talk about Pear Deck. Pear Deck is a technological tool. We can use Pear Deck from initial page, but we can use it from Google Drive. Pear Deck is about interactive presentation, interactive slides. This tool is helpful to reinforce and improve English language learning. I consider that this tool is an innovative and authentic material to determine the performance of students in real time. Pear Deck has several uses. Yeah, we can use it to make different activities, and it's very easy to use. And this tool offers different options to design the activities or design slides, because we can create slides with questions, or we can create slides with traduction or some activities related to the complete sentences, with some topic in particular topic. Some options that offer is complete words, complete sentences, traduction of sentences, and answer the questions with multiple choice answers. I consider that the tool is very useful into the classroom. I think that the students can interact with teachers and into the classroom. Also, this tool make the activities are more fun, and the students can enjoy this space online to learn and improve their performance. Thank you for watching.